guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, we have another box guys that we need to unbox. So what it is, I don't know. Let's see that in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first. So like I said, we have a new parcel and let's open it here. So it's bubble wrapped. And there's a box. Okay, so now let's open it guys. There's a small something here. It's bubble wrapped, and we have this galon. So let's open this, guys. So this is a windshield washer guys that I ordered for our van because it's out of windshield washer. And this guys, this small thing, let's open it too. This is a ta-da! So this is a hanging diffuser guys, perfume diffuser for our van. And I ordered the seduction, I think. I forgot what scent it is. I wanted the bombshell but it was not available, so I ordered the seduce. And it's from guys Prestige, which I ordered it at Shopee. The link will be right down below guys in the description box. So now let's go to our van in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so now we have our washer fluid and this is the tank. As you may see, there's no more water. So let's open it and let's open this. So, order it again.